Alright guys, welcome back to a new video. I have been wanting to give y'all some updates on the truck so far. The work truck, as you guys can see, I did install a stepside bed and it looks really good. The old bed had some issues, a lot of work to be done to get it back right. This one also needs some work, but it don't need that much work. I just gotta pop out that dent and then do some body work here. I did add some fender flares on there to pop out the fender a little bit. That way I can get flow with what I'm trying to do, with the look I'm trying to get. So it'll definitely flow. And as you guys know, with these stepside beds, these tailgates are hard to find. So if you guys see one out there on Marketplace or in your city, drop a comment down below and let me know if you guys come across one. I definitely need one. Bumper, I can custom make my own bumper, so we don't have to worry about that. Wheels still looking pretty good. Like I said, we got some dings here that I got to take care of, and the engine is finally locked up, so we will be putting another engine in here. Y'all drop a comment. Should I build the new engine up? Should I put a turbo kit on there? Y'all let me know in the comments. I just wanted to give y'all a little update video of what's been going on. Lucy, I will be giving y'all an update video on that as well. Here recently, ran into some issues with the transmission leaking, and we have to change out the headers, guys, because the headers that's on there, that the guy put on there, they do not fit. Everything is hitting and rubbing against each other. It's not safe. So we gotta take it to a whole new shop and get that resolved. But as of right now, I will be doing work on both little by little till we get them both finished up. But guys, I do like this stepside bed. It looks beefier. I have not attached the bed to the truck yet, so it do look like it's higher in the back. But we will be dropping the rear. I will be dropping the front as well, 3 inches, probably a 3/4 drop. And man, this thing is gonna look crazy. It's gonna look pretty good. So y'all stay tuned. I also have some brand new headlights with a new design that I haven't seen out there yet. So y'all stay tuned for that. And man, I just love those wheels, guys. Look how big the lip is on the wheels. Love the wheels on there. Nice looking wheel. So if I don't find a tailgate for this truck, I will be going with the net, tailgate net that says bully on the back, because this do look like a bully. It will be a bully again on the streets. But like I said, guys, y'all stay tuned. I have been working on them just by little, man. And you know, everything is just won't get done overnight. It just won't, guys. But just wanted to give y'all a little update on both trucks. If you like the content, which I will be dropping more content, so if you like it, hit that like button for me, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these trucks being built. Yeah, y'all let me know in the comments, y'all. I appreciate y'all for tuning in and supporting the channel. Till the next video, I'll see y'all. Y'all be safe out there. Peace.
Pull up like Johnny Neutron, help you get a move on.